Are you working in a place where the path up the corporate ladder seems broken? Or maybe because of who you are, it never was really there in the first place. Here's the truth. Nearly half of Black women and women with disabilities say they don't get equal chances for advancement. And even overall, women's progress into leadership is crawling, only about 1% advancement a year. That's less of a climb and more of a shuffle. So what do you do if nothing changes? Well, I call it K.A.N, K-A-N, knowledge. Keep learning about your company, your industry, your craft. Ask. Don't wait for someone to hand you an opportunity. Ask for specific responsibilities that move you forward. Network. Build authentic relationships inside and outside your company. And leaders, your role is just as important. Create pathways for knowledge, responsibility, and networking. Celebrate every step your people climb. If you don't be surprised when your best employees leave to find a ladder that isn't broken. I'm Pat Doyle. For more culture building insights, head over to PatDoyle.ca /blog.